ready for reading and start. What is socialism? Question mark. It means all members of our society must have an equal opportunity to live a decent human life. Full stop. Such conditions must be created in our society where every single individual should have that right. Full stop. That is the simple meaning of the word socialism, a society where a few do not have an opportunity and a right to exploit and extort. Full stop. Such a society should be created, and this is what socialism means. Full stop. And to bring it about within the framework of a democratic structure by the will of the people is the meaning of the concept which our founding fathers have enshrined in the Constitution when they said that we will have a democratic socialist society. Full stop. Let us ask ourselves the question, have we succeeded in doing it? Question mark and stand. When I am participating in the debate today, I am not going to speak from the point of view of winning or scoring the debating points between people on this side or that side. I think it is the duty of all of us, full stop. These 800 people in this house and in that house who have been entrusted by 80 crores of people of this country with the task of doing something that will change their destiny and change their life. Full stop. It is incumbent on us to sit down and to give the topmost priority to consider as to how we can achieve this. Full stop. And if this is given priority, sir, I am sure a way can be found. Instead of wasting our energy on other matters, let us concentrate on this matter. Full stop. I am absolutely one with my friends when they say that this should be given the top priority. Full stop and stanza. What do the young peoples of this country expect? Question mark. Why they are restive? Question mark. Why are they frustrated? Question mark. It is because they are not employed. They do not have productive employment, creative employment. Full stop. That is why they feel frustrated. Full stop. By and large, if this is the fact, sir, then let us consider how this can be achieved. Full stop. Stanza. If you want to provide employment, that employment means must be productive. Full stop. What is wealth? Question mark. Wealth is goods and services. It is not notes. The currency notes are actually the means of exchange. Full stop. The wealth is goods. Full stop. When do you say that a man is poor? Question mark. It is when he is not able to have even the necessity of life. Full stop and stanza. Now, how can you make them available to him? Full stop. Obviously, first they must be produced and then he must have the purchasing power to buy them. Full stop. How can he have the purchasing power unless he has remunerative work? Question mark and over.